I am so excited about this video. It's a brand new property by Virgin Hotels. So this is one of 4 hotels as of April 2021 that Virgin has. This hotel is located off strip and it's formerly the Hard Rock Hotel. It was completely gutted and renovated. The Virgin Las Vegas has 3 towers. I stayed in Ruby Tower, which is the All Suites Tower. I really enjoyed my visit. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed my visit. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So welcome to my suite. I'm gonna take you around, give you a tour. Once you enter, you have a closet area to hang your clothing. Also, iron board. You can have your suitcase there, of course. So you also have a vanity area, really small sitting area. But I think the ladies are gonna love this. You have lights and lots of mirrors. And obviously you can open wider if you wanted and be seated. And also a second closet area. Just move it, hang your clothes, you can put your suitcase, and an area for shoe. And this is where the safe is located. So the safe has a padding. Mama needs a new pair of shoes. So there's a door that separates the entranceway from the living room. Check out this living room. Lots and lots of seating areas. This is a ruby corner chamber. So really nice modern furniture, vibrant colors. They just pop. Really like the colors. You have a chair here as well. One of the best features of this room is the view. You have really excellent view of the Las Vegas skyline, the strip. So you can see, you can look all the way on the strip. And then because this room is a corner chamber, you have 3 sets of windows. So you have 3 sets of windows that you're able to actually view the entire strip from this room. So let's go check out the bedroom. Now, one of the things, there's a console, really nice console with a bumble type divider with a TV that's in the main area. Really huge television. I need to check, it's probably at least 70 inches. There's one television on this side and there's a second television in the console. So some resorts you go to, they have a console that flips around and you share one television, but you have 2 televisions in this room. So as you come in, you can see really modern furniture. It's really nice and clean, very stylish. Let's take a look at some more of the furniture in the room. One thing I like about it, if you look at this remote, there are no batteries. It's actually comes with a wireless charger. Wireless chargers in the room. You can use this wireless charger to charge your cell phone and the remote as well. So you can see the reading light. It actually folds in, then turns off automatically. Then once you pull it out, then you can adjust this reading light down in different angles. So that's pretty cool. Remote as well. And then once you look at the television, there are quite a few choices. Obviously, you can watch normal TV programming. You can stream your own content. You can control the chamber. So you can control the air conditioning and lighting to your desire. You can order room service, and you can send a service request if you had an issue. One of the things I like is this Fitbod. It's an app. So when you're staying at this hotel, one of the things they do is they give you a complimentary personalized training, whether you can do it in the room utilizing the app, or you can use the app while in the gym. So that's a nice touch. And there's some food options as well for you to review. So really lots of great choices on the television. So let's continue. There's a mini bar. It's not totally stocked at this point, but maybe I'll post later on what it looks like. But for those interested, there's a romance kit with some condoms and lubricants and massage oil and a game as well. And obviously, touch-free, you can order in-room by getting the QR code, or you can see the prices for the minibar. So again, my minibar isn't 100% stocked, but I'll just give you an idea of what's in it. You got some gin, some vodka, Jack Daniels. You can have an old-fashioned that's pre-mixed as well. So Cosmo and Mai Tai. Okay, so some great choices there that's already made. Really like the lighting package in this room. So if you look at the lights, they're really nice and modern style. And then this chase is modern as well. So I really like that. And you know, beside bedside, on both sides you got at least 2 plugs on both sides and a couple of USB ports. So that's good. So let's just take a look at the room from this angle. Okay. And the final area, one thing I like about it, there is a bathroom door that separates the bathroom from the actual bedroom and the other areas. Bathroom is really spacious. What you see here, double sinks in the bathroom, then a private area, and if you were really huge shower area, rainfall shower, and an extremely deep tub. Let's see what type of products they have here. So those are the products, red flower. I'll place a picture later on with me, perhaps in the tub. And one of the things I'll do is I'll actually do a second video where I show a lot what's going on in the rest of the property, and I'll put a link in the description when that's completed. So let's take a final view of the room. Can't wait to see the strip tonight with the lighting at night.